Welcome back to another DIY reactions video. So we kick off today's video with this action hack. Very clever candle holder here. Pretty easy to make. This is one of those DIYs too. You don't really have to do much. And then we're back at action. So we have a hanging mirror here. Now, I always say this, if you don't have an action store by you, a lot of these items you can get from Target, Walmart's, so don't feel like you can't do them. So it looks like they have a mirror and they actually bought like a beer pong set. The little tennis balls there. Well, not tennis balls, but beer pong balls. So they're pretty much gluing those around the perimeter. Oh, so she didn't glue them yet. She just placed them. Okay, I was wondering about that. Because I was like, this would be hard to spray paint since it is a mirror. But yeah, that came out great. Very cute idea. Oh, I love the way that looks. Alright, so... Oh! It's a nice little decorative way that they used the plant holder there. Very clever. It looks more aesthetic that way. Alright, so here we have another action DIY. Once again, you can grab these items probably from Target, Walmart, maybe even the dollar store. And this is another easy one. You're basically just placing the pieces together, gluing them. Some cases, like depending on your style and the colors that you see at the store, you might not even have to worry about spray painting it. But she did do a matte black for this one. I think that looks amazing. Okay, so this creator, Gloria Design, if you guys are not following her on TikTok and Instagram, what are you doing with your life? She has the most amazing glam style decor pieces. Look at this candle holder. Z Gallery inspired, of course. And then here is another one. This is another like high-end looking decor piece. I don't know how she comes up with these ideas, but they are just amazing. I love all the gold and the black. Wow. Beautiful. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So if home decor is your thing, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like today's video, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest DIY trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. And then we have another action DIY. So it looks like they have some canvas for this one. And they spray painted it black. Now we already saw the final result. They end up doing like this really cool artwork piece. I think this is a clever idea. Very beginner friendly. And then we have another action DIY. Now this one, I know you can grab all these pieces from the dollar store. Don't even worry about it. So you take all your bowls and your plates, your chargers, you glue them all together. I've seen this being done with like IKEA bowls as well. Spray painted, and bam, you got a nice little clever aesthetic side table that was very inexpensive to make. Alright, so we are back at action. So many action DIYs in today's video, so Looks like they have a plate and a candle holder. So this is what I was talking about earlier. You just grab pieces that already have the color that you want. You know, and this is a great idea if you're not the best at spray painting, because let's be honest, it can sometimes get a little tricky. But it's already done. The color is already done. So you're just pretty much gluing the pieces together and bam, making something new. So it looks like she made a cute little like tiered tray. Another inexpensive upgrade. Got the treats out. Very cute idea. Those cookies look so good. Or maybe I'm just hungry. I don't know. And then here is another easy DIY side table. So it looks like they might have used trash bins for this. Honestly, there's so many different objects that you can just like grab from the store, glue them together and make something new. Like you can be at the store and you will find some inspiration, I promise you. Or of course, subscribe to this channel and you'll get tons of ideas. So there we go. I like the unique shape that they did here. That piece in the middle just kind of added some interest. Very cool. I was just about to say, I want to see this in black. Wow. It's like she read my mind. Alright, so let's see what we have here for the next one. Looks like they're doing like that sunburst trend. Going in with some gold. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, this was a really cool one. Probably because it's black and gold, and you guys know I'm obsessed with those two colors. Alright, so here's another mirror DIY. They have a charger here. You can grab these from the dollar store. They got some beads. All these items you can grab from the dollar store, really. This is another easy project too, because you're pretty much just gluing the pieces together. Oh, I like the fact that she's adding some lighting to this. Oh, that wasn't lighting. Okay, that was like the wire to hang it up. But that would look pretty cool with some fairy lights going around. Alright, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY ideas with me today and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.